3, 2, 1.
Sunshine, you are the ocean to me. You are the sunshine, you are the ocean. Sunshine, you are the ocean to me. You are the sunshine, you are the ocean.
That officially concludes our trip to Alta Verapaz, Guatemala. If you're planning on going there or anywhere else in Central America in the near future, check out the link in the description for a great travel guide that's going to give you tips and places to visit all across Central America. If you want to see full-length videos for any of the places that were featured in this video, you can click on the playlist that's appearing on the screen right now. There's going to be lots more videos of Central America coming soon, and so if that's something that interests you, go ahead, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. See you guys next time.